Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead, and it's summertime here in Virginia, and you know what that means. All the berries are ready to eat. You got your blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and one of my personal favorite, goji berries. So we've got our goji berry bush right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these guys picked. But today I'm gonna be showing you how to make dried goji berries. It's super simple, and it ensures that you can use your goji berries that you've harvested all year long. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so the first step of us doing our goji berries is we're gonna preheat our oven to 175. So the thing with goji berries is you have to do it low and slow. So this is a total cook time of about 2 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and let that start preheating. Let me just make sure the oven's empty. Yeah, it's empty. So that's our way we're gonna do it. We're gonna do low and slow for about 2 hours, and now we're gonna go ahead and get them laid out on a tray. So let me get that set up and we'll come right back. So we've washed our goji berries and now we have our cook tray. The reason why we have it lined with aluminum foil is it just makes the cleanup a little bit easier, because you're gonna notice when you put a berry down the tray and it's been in the oven for a bit and you're gonna turn them, there's gonna be some of the juices from the berry that leached out. And the last thing you want is your berry to get stuck onto the bare tray. So that's why we're using the aluminum foil there. So now we're just gonna go ahead and dump our berries onto the tray. And then we're gonna space them out so they're not all touching each other. So let's just do this really quick. And this is primarily, the reason why we don't want them touching each other is primarily like we were talking about. They're gonna bleed their juices out, and we don't want them sticking to each other. All right, we got our goji berries all spread out here, and our oven just gave us the notification that we are at 175. So let me go ahead and get them in there. Okay, so goji berries are in, and in about 30 minutes, we're gonna come check them. So let me set a reminder on my phone, that way we don't forget them. I'm gonna cut back once we've hit that first 30-minute mark. Okay, so we've been in the oven about 30 minutes now, and you can kind of see they're starting to dry up a little bit. And this is what I was talking about. So I just rolled this one over, and you see this little ring right here? That is why we've got the aluminum foil down, because they will stick to that. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of go in and move these around so that we're getting all sides of these rolled over. And we're just gonna do that. And this is 30 minutes in, so still got a long time, but you can see they're starting to dry out, and we're gonna keep back to it. So I'm just gonna set my alarm again for 30 minutes on the phone. And every 30 minutes, I'm just gonna come in here and give them a little roll. Okay, so we've finished with the goji berries being in the oven. And you can kind of see here, I got this one, and there's not a lot going on. It's just very much like you squeeze, and doesn't got a lot of give to it. It's just kind of, you know, there's no wetness coming out of it when I squeeze it. It's just, you know, dry. So, you know, these can be stored, you know, as is. You can put them in the refrigerator for extra storage. But we're gonna take these on with us on a little road trip, have us a little snack. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, just be sure you drop that like and subscribe. Super simple one. It's July 4th here in the USA, so we're just doing a really quick video and going to have some fun. But anyways, it's been Cody with Homestead, out here.